Good morning, students. Perhaps it is the third video of set. And before this class, we had discussed the basic concept of set. Element belongs to, does not belongs to, different ways of representing a set, set builder form, rule form, roster form, etc. We already had discussed. And previous to this class, we had discussed the different types of sets. Today, we will discuss subset, superset, and proper subset. Proper subset. These are the three terms which we will discuss today. Subset, you can see here, sub is a prefix and set. Before set, sub is joined. And there are many other situations where we use the prefix sub, like sub-inspector, one who works under the inspector. Subdivision, a district is divided into many divisions. Those divisions are called subdivisions. In the same way, there is the concept of subset. What is the meaning of this word? Suppose it is a set, okay, and if we make its parts, this is a part, this is another part, this is another part, if we call it A, and if its different parts are denoted by B, C, D, then B is a part of A. Mathematically, we call it B is the subset of A. Similarly, C is a part of the set A. Therefore, C is also a subset of A. D is a part of A, then D is also a subset of A. Now, I hope it is clear what is the meaning of subset, part of a set. Now, I take a mathematical example. Suppose A is a set. It has two elements, 1 and 2. One thing, if I say B is a subset of A, symbolically we write it as B is a subset of A. This symbol stands for subset of, each subset of. Now, similarly, C is a subset of A. B is a subset of A. Okay? Now see here. Suppose I want to make different parts of this set. Suppose I take a set phi, means a set is made from A without taking its any element. Suppose I take a set B by taking its one element. B is a set which has the element 1 and this element is taken from A. The phi has no element. Without taking any element of A, we have made a set. C, suppose we have taken 2. It is also a set. Suppose I take B, both the elements are taken, 1 and 2. Therefore, in mathematical way, what we call phi is a subset of A, B is a subset of A, C is a subset of A, and D is a subset of A. Now you can see here B and A both are the same sets. Therefore you can say this implies A is subset of A. Okay. Then from the ongoing discussion, how we can define a subset? If there are two sets B and A such that each and every element of B belongs to the set A, then B is called the subset of A. Similarly, each and every element of C2 belongs to C also belongs to A. Therefore, C is a subset of A. D1 and 2 also belongs to A. Therefore, D is a subset of A. Okay. Therefore, how we will define? If A and B are two sets such that each and every element of B belongs to A, then B is called subset of A. B is called subset of A. Okay. This was the definition of subset. Now, subset, if B is the subset of A, suppose it is A and it is B, obviously B is a part of A, then B is subset of A and A is the superset of B. It is the concept of a superset. We write it A contains B. This symbol stands for contains. A contains B, or A is the superset of B. Thus, we have discussed the subset and superset. Okay. Now, a term comes here, proper subset. By proper subset, you see here, proper subset, from the previous example, you see A is a subset, phi is subset of A, B is subset of A, C is subset of A, and D is also a subset of A. But D is not the proper subset of A. Okay. Therefore, to indicate the proper subset, we use the symbol like this, only this. Phi is the proper subset of A, B is the proper subset of A, C is proper subset of A, but D is subset of A. D is not the proper subset of A. Now, how we can define it? Any set, I am giving the definition. Any set B is called the proper subset of A if there exists, this symbol stands for there exists at least one element in A which does not belong to B, which does not belong to B, then B is called the proper subset of A. Okay, means a proper subset will be smaller subset than the original set. You will keep it in mind. Smaller may be smaller by one element, smaller by two elements, smaller by three elements. At least one element should be smaller than the original set. Then B is called the proper subset of the set. Now, see here. Number of subsets. Number of subsets. Number of subsets of a set. Number of subsets. Suppose I take a set phi and its subset is only 5 and number of subset is 1. Now I take a set singleton one. It will have the subsets 1 will be 5 and 1, and in number they are 1 and 2. Okay, if we take a pair set, now we try to make it subsets. First 5, the subsets containing one element, no, and the subset containing both elements. Therefore, in number how much subsets are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, if we take 1, 2, 3, a set containing 3 elements, then 5 taking one element, 1, 2, 3. Okay, taking 2 elements, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. Okay, and 1, 2, 3 taking all these together. Now see here, number of subsets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now you can see here. If we call it A, then number of A equal to what? 0. Number of A equal to 1, number of A equal to 2, number of A equal to 3. Now this one formula, see here, how we can generalize it. Formula. This one can be written as 2 to the power 0. This 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1. This 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. This 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Okay. From this induction, we can get a formula. No, number of subsets. If a set has n elements, then its total number of subsets is given by 2 to the power n or 2 to the power number of A. Okay. Now, in the total number of subsets, you might have seen the set itself is included. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 5. If we take the proper subsets, then this will be included here, excluded here, this will be excluded here, this will be excluded here, means one will be subtracted from the number of sets. Therefore, number of proper subsets, number of proper subsets of a set having n elements can be given by 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay? 2 to the power n minus 1. It is the formula, and up to here you can do the problems of exercise 1.3 of NCERT. Today solve all the questions, and which are not solved, ask me, sir, this question could not be solved, I will solve it. Okay? Thank you.